your board exams are approaching soon, I'm sure all of you must have got this thought in your mind that what exactly we must revise a day prior to our exam. So today in this module, I'm going to tell you as to what you can revise for your science subject a day before the exam. So science is divided into three parts, that is biology, chemistry and physics. So for biochem and physics, the common thing that you should be doing is you must make a list of all the definitions and laws that are there in your textbook. You cannot change the wordings of the definitions and laws. You have to write it the way it is there in the textbook. Now for biology, the most important thing is the diagrams. So what you all can do is, you can make a list of all the important diagrams given in your textbook and you can draw them in an A4 size sheet paper. Now, after drawing the diagram, label all the parts correctly and write the functions of each part just beside it. So this will save your time in revising the functions separately. You will have the entire content of that concept in that diagram itself. Apart from this, in biology, there are a lot of flow sheets and flow charts given in your textbook. So you must be very thorough with all the flow sheets and flow charts. Now coming to chemistry. The most important part in chemistry is chemical reactions. So you need to have a writing practice of all the chemical reactions in your textbook. Secondly, you must know how to balance a chemical equation. In exam, whatever chemical reaction you write, you cannot leave it unbalanced. You have to balance it. Then, in chemistry, another thing that is important is learning the outline of the periodic table. So, any kind of questions that is asked with reference to periodic table, you should be able to answer. And you must be very thorough with all the configurations, valencies and molecular formulae. In physics, you must have a list of chapter-wise formulae that is given in your textbook and you must practice numericals of each type. You must also practice the derivations that are given in your textbooks and you must have a very thorough practice of the ray diagrams. So students, I'm sure that all these tips and guidelines will help you a day prior to your exam. So I wish you all the very best and do well.